Alright, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Zulkifli, and I want to talk about the observation of catfish fingerling movement based on the water temperature, which is 28 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius. Right. When the catfish fingerlings were added into the water of temperature of 28 degrees Celsius, all the fingerlings start to swim normally for 7 minutes, and after that, only 3 of the 5 fingerling will remain active, while other will settle to the bottom. And the 3 fingerling actively swimming until the observation reached 50 minutes before it also settled down to the bottom. And we also notice that reddish skin under the abdomen of the 2 of the fingerling. We notice that there is reddish color under the abdomen, and all the catfish survive for the 40 minutes of observation, while the other tank with a temperature of 36 degrees Celsius. Shortly after the catfish were added into the water, all the fish fingerling vigorously move for 3 minutes, and after that all the fingerlings settle down to the bottom. We also notice there are some reddish color on the tail of all fingerling, but after 45 minutes of the observation, all the fingerlings will become weak and half but still conscious. And we also observe that all the fingerlings have reddish body at the end of observation, but all the catfish will survive. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Abu Bakar. My message number is S50242. Okay, for my part is I'll be collecting the data about the number of dead fish of similar temperature combination from other groups, which means that I collect the data of the fish dead. After 45 minutes, the fish directly added into the aquarium. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, here is the data. As you can see, the data. The first table is for 28 degrees Celsius versus 32, and also table 2 for 28 degrees Celsius versus 36, and also the table 3 is for 28 degrees Celsius versus 40 degrees Celsius. As you can see, all the data, all the dead fish is 0, which means that no fish is dead. After the 45 minutes, the fish is added into the aquarium. Alright.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atika binti Sakri. My metric number is 50547. For our information, temperature is the one of the abiotic factor that play a critical role of aquatic life. Okay, by refer the journal of the Asian Fisheries Science about the effect of water temperature on the physiological response of Asian catfish, Glorias Berticus. The temperature below or above thermal limit can induce the alteration to the fish immune response. The results show that the fish mortality was seen when the water temperature reached 10 degrees Celsius. Catfish were severely impacted by low temperature, either at the constant 50 degrees Celsius or at the 50 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius cyclic temperature. The water below than 20 degrees Celsius affected the physiological response of catfish. That's from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fakira Maula Ismail, S50331. Okay, today I want to show you one example of journal which involve African catfish, Glorias garipenus. Okay, the title of the journal is The Effect of Environmental Regulated Water Temperature, Variations on Survival, Growth Performance and Haematology of African Catfish. Okay, the experiment was carried out to evaluate the effects of temperature changes on survival, growth performance and haematology, and also subjected to different environmental regulated temperature conditions in 3 locations. First, laboratory, second, outdoor, and third, greenhouse. A result showed that all the fish in the greenhouse died after 8 days of exposure to sunlight, where the temperature reached up to 40 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Hi, My name is Alana Bihan Tapumin. My metric number is S50131. The title of the article that I choose is Rates of Gain and Loss of Heat Tolerance in Channel Catfish. I choose this article because it was concluded that thermal acclimation rates in fishes are dictated by temperature dependent changes in metabolic rate and therefore are tied to the magnitude of the final acclimation temperature. Bright, 1946. Thank you.
My name is Nofarim Fauzi. My metric number is S50040. Okay. I want to talk about the problem happened in the lab 6. Okay. Firstly, the problem that happened in the lab 6 is the technical error when the heater given to us is inaccurate temperature. When the heater cannot be setting correctly, so the water temperature cannot be set up within the temperature given to us. Okay, next, for the next problem is the surrounding temperature in the lab full with air conditioner that might influence the result of the water temperature. Okay, for the third one is the different water level of the experiment might influence the movement. Okay, lastly, the problem happens in the lab is the different water level for the experiment within each group might influence the result of the fish. Okay, for the third one and lastly, Okay, lastly, the problem happens in the lab is the different water level in the tank that might influence the movement of the fingerling catfish in the tank. Thank you.
Hi, I will explain about the suggestion to avoid the error in this experiment. So first, to avoid the experiment in the aircon space to maintain the surrounding temperature. Second, as the volume of water affected the time taken to reach the different temperature, so we suggest that each group have the uniform water level. And third is, as this experiment resulted with 0 dead fish at the end of the lab session and the time taken for the water to reach desired temperature was long, so we suggest to extend the duration of the experiment until we obtain the desired result.